Hey guys, my name's Neil.
And I'm Crystal, and we are here at Jimmy Do Farm.
So the vision for this home was to turn this old farmhouse into a getaway for us, our friends and family, and also guests to make it an investment as well.
It's a great place to bring multiple families to, get all your friends together, and there's so much to do and experience right here on the farm.
So the projects we specialise in are making architecture affordable. So we're in that sort of middle ground between a spec home and a really high-end architectural build.
Coming in and seeing what the original farmhouse had, it was something that we needed to change,
That was like
ASAP.
number one thing.
Yeah.
Even if we just changed the blinds, we would have been...
It was going to change the whole home, yeah. So it was a very key part of transforming Jimmy Do for us, and I feel like DIY was spot on with helping us in that transformation.
The major design considerations when choosing the blinds was obviously to get light filtering. So we wanted the shears to, create that nice warm vibe but still send light through them.
Yeah.
And they obviously look great from the outside as well. And then we needed that thermal mass to stay inside the house because we've got hydronic heating. We wanted the house to heat up and for the blinds to bounce that heat back into the house. So it was a must-have to have blinds. So I think we've chose pretty well. Was it like a nice seamless roll down blind and a nice aesthetically pleasing sheer?
So the window furnishings have changed the space aesthetically so much. They have softened the rooms and they have let so much more light in, and obviously there's the option of blocking out light as well if you need. And they've just, opened up the rooms as well. So I feel like since they've gone in, that there has been a lot more space. It feels like there's somehow a lot more room. A lot of the decisions that we made were based on a sense of practicality, and that's why we did go with the black option with the shears and with the block-out blinds, because we wanted something that was practical, durable, and was going to definitely stand the test of time. And I have to add that kids, they just love to touch curtains. You cannot keep their hands away, and our kids' hands, they're pretty filthy coming straight from the farm, inside. So the black has been amazing for hiding all of those little handprints.
So the reason I chose to use DIYblinds for this project is they're Australia-wide. They can go to any location. They have such a good service. So you basically given them measurements. I was giving them measurements and they're like, they can't be right. And I was like, they're very good at they're so on the ball.
Very thorough and really quick turnaround time as well, which is super important for us in all of our jobs. And they're also Australian made, which is a big selling point as well, supporting the local economy. So working with the DIY design consultant was really helpful. Basically I had reference shots, but I had really no idea on where to source the fabric, and they were really good because they currently didn't have something that they had in their range that I needed to get my hands on, and they went above and beyond to make sure they could get that exact product for me so that we would be happy. So we're really stoked with that.
So I recommend DIY to my mum, my brother. I've recommended them to heaps of people, even builders and architects that are designing. I say get these guys involved early because they'll help the whole process. But basically the quality is second to none and the price is really good. So it's a bit of a no-brainer to recommend them.